Hey, what's going on, other fish tank people? This is Mike. Sometimes you have outlet problems in your fish room. I had an outlet go out this morning. I'm not real sure what's wrong with it. It was a little loose anyway when you plug things in. But I'm going to show you how to replace that today. Alright, so you're only going to need a few tools. A flat-headed screwdriver. Everyone has one of those. A voltage tester. These are like $10 or $15 at Lowe's. I actually got this one from eBay for $1. It came from China, and as long as you test it right before you use it, you should be good. And I might possibly need a pair of wire strippers. I'm not real sure, but we'll see. Alright, the first thing you want to do is turn off the power. I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. Alright, I'm here at the breaker panel. What you're going to do is open it up. And I happen to know that this particular outlet is on this breaker, because I've already figured it out. But if you don't know which one it is, you can come in here and flick each one, or you can turn off the main power. You know, and then you can test the outlet if you don't have a tester and you're in a pinch. You can use a lamp, like plug in the lamp if the outlet's known to be working. You know, and then when the power goes off to the lamp, you're probably good to go. Alright, so I turned the power off at the breaker. I'm going to test it. Nothing. And you can hear my tester going off right now. Alright, so I tested the outlet that's active. Then this one is dead. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take the cover off. Then loosen the two screws on the top and the bottom. Alright, so after you get the outlet loose, this happens to be the last one in the chain. So what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew the black. You don't have to open it all the way up. Just take it off like that. If they're pushed in the back, you're probably going to have to cut them off and then strip it so you can redo this. Alright, so you get them off. Alright, now that's done. I got enough room here to put a new outlet, but sometimes the wires are really short and you can't just add a new outlet. Like you pull it out and you'd be trying to put it like this. So what you have to do is you have to put extend the wires. You would get a new piece and some wire nuts, a new piece of wire, and you'd match the colors and twist the caps together. Wrap some tape around them and shove it back to the back of the box. Alright, I got the new outlet here. It's exactly the same as the other one, but you're going to want to tighten up the extra screws on the end. Since this is an end outlet, I don't need these screws hanging out. If this is a metal box, it'd be even, you know, it'd be even more important to do that. All right, so you tighten up these screws, and you basically just put it back. White to silver. And black to brass. I'm making this look harder than it actually is. So I'm fumbling around with all these damn wires. Alright, well I guess I do need this. Remake the hook. Alright, I always like to attach the ground first, you know, because it's kind of a safety anyway. Alright, so now that your ground is attached, you go ahead and connect the other two. You want to try to make the loop of the wire the way that it'll tighten with the screw. Sometimes I don't always do it, and it always makes it more complicated. And you want it pretty tight. You don't have to clamp it down to where it breaks anything. Right, and the black is your live side. Alright, then you just want to shove it back in the box and tighten your screws back up. Alright, so after you attach your screws, get the outlet where you want it, you attach the cover plate. I'll tighten that up in a little bit. So, it's just a quick review. Remember to test your tester. Like, we know this is off now, but if I go over here, it works, okay? So then I would test it again before I start taking the outlet out. And make sure you take the breaker, turn the breaker off. Alright, so after you get it all buttoned back up, you can turn the power back on. Alright, so now that we replaced the outlet, I went ahead and plugged everything back up. Let's turn on these lights and see if it worked. Yay! Alright, so if this helped you out in any way, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. Inspires me to keep creating stuff. So I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.